New channeling topics. Wave 2. Arcturian Compass. A fresh suite of themes tuned for Arcturian philosophy, Buddhist insight, Christ consciousness, universal unity, NLP frames, biodecoding maps, and numerology keys. Respond. Dame Uno plus number. To receive a full 12-15K channeled piece in English with emojis and no questions inside the text. 25. Solar plexus sovereignty. Warm will, gentle power. Focus. Recalibrate willpower through compassion, honesty, and breath heat. Angles to weave. 3-center alignment. PNL state anchoring, biodecoding of control. 9 breath Sun Kriya, number 3, vitality code. Darber. 26. Grief into gold. Alchemy of loss and renewal. Focus. Compost sadness into presence, gratitude, and new service. Angles to weave. Vagal toning hums, letter to the beloved right, numerology, 7 integration, somatic shaking, altar of remembrance. 27. The Arcturian body clock. Circadian coherence. Focus. Align sleep, food, work, and prayer with cosmic rhythm. Angles to weave. Blue light hygiene, dawn water prayer, 4-stage work sprints, numerology of daily cycles, melatonin-friendly ritual. 28. Sacred entrepreneur flywheel. Create, serve, regenerate, focus. Sustainable offerings that honor seasons of work and rest. Angles to weave. Offer ladder ethics, PNL value articulation, pricing as prayer, break weeks, numerology, 8 abundance loop. Tambal 29. Quantum boundaries in romance. Intimacy without enmeshment. Focus. Keep love open while keeping energy sovereign. Angles to weave. Consent scripts, co-regulation breath maps, biodecoding jealousy, 2-chair repair ritual, number 2 partnership code. 30. Inner child stargate. Medicine of play and safety. Focus. Restore innocence, novelty, and laughter for learning. Angles to weave. Safe place anchor, PNL, playful microdates, parent voice rewrite, 3 toy altar, numerology, 6 nurture code. 31. The power of names, numerology and identity upgrades. Focus. Explore name vibrations, signatures, and destiny paths. Angles to weave. 11, 22, 33 name maps, pen rituals, letter mantra, signing ceremony, renaming ethics. Bas. 32. Temple of silence. Stillness as amplifier. Focus. Build daily quiet pockets that multiply clarity and power. Angles to weave. 7-minute silent sits, candle gaze, soft belly, phone off vow, 7 and 9 coherence numbers. Barkorn 33. Forgiveness, economics. Debt release and flow. Focus. Free settlements in heart, money, and time. Angles to weave. Ho'oponopono ledger, apology scripts, micro reparations, numerology. 9 closure code, receipt burning. 34. Sacred anger, hygiene. Clean fire, clear direction. Focus. Convert irritation into boundaries and purposeful action. Angles to weave. Pillow press, stomp breath cadence, PNL reframe, apology, plus repair, number 1 leadership. 35. Food frequency. Eating light codes. Focus. Treat meals as prayers that tune the field. Angles to weave. Gratitude chewing, water blessing, sound charge bowls, 5 color plate ritual, numerology, 5 adaptability. 36. Money and the nervous system. Polyvagal prosperity. Focus. Build safety around receiving, holding, and sharing. Angles to weave. Safe to receive breath, bank account check-in ritual, money scripts biodecoding, 8 abundance breath. 37. Mentor lines and initiations. Lineage ethics. Focus. Honor teachers without giving away sovereignty. Angles to weave. Cord hygiene, consent blessings, lineage altar, vow clarity, numerology, 4 structure. Bryce, 38. Creative lightning. Channeling music and voice. Focus. Catch ideas fast, finish with love, release with ceremony. Angles to weave. 3-act song frame, 45-minute sprints, vocal toning scales, audience attunement, 3 to 9 flow codes. 39. Quantum homes, moving with ritual and geomancy. Focus. Clear, claim, and program spaces. Angles to weave. Salt and smoke sweep, corner quartz grid, door numerology, welcome prayer, water bowls. 40. Ancestor tech. Bridges of love and wisdom. Focus. Heal and receive from the lineage with ethics. Angles to weave. Photo altar, dream incubation, food offerings, forgiveness letters, 7-generation blessing. 41. Time debts and future credits. Calendar karma. Focus. Clear over commitment and reclaim creative power. Angles to weave. Calendar pruning, sacred no scripts, 80-20 generosity, weekly review, number 10 reset. 42. Arcturian parenting. Coherence in the family field. Focus. Presence, play, boundaries, and repair. Angles to weave. Co-regulation breath, screen hygiene, rhythm boards, repair rituals, numerology, 6, care code, ways. 43. The art of ending cycles. Ceremonial closure. Focus. Complete with grace to open true beginnings. Angles to weave. Object return right. Goodbye letters. Refund grace. Compost ritual. 9 closure numerology. 44. Blue rose path. Feminine Christ light. Focus. Devotion. Truth and gentle power. Angles to weave. Rose breath. Blue flame invocations. Heart womb coherence. Vow of clarity. 22 master builder code. 45. Sovereign service. Pricing as prayer. Focus. Match value, capacity, and fairness. Angles to weave. Sliding scale matrix. Tithe experiments. Offer vows. Refund window. Numerology. 8. Reciprocity. Norbiers 46. Micro Sabbaths. Rest as ritual. Focus. Daily and weekly reset pockets. Angles to weave. 90-minute tech off. Warm bath blessing. Tea vigil. Music fast. 7. Rest numerology. Darker 47. The field of yes. Magnetism without force. Focus. Clear intentions. Soft heart. Wide field. Angles to weave. Archer stance. Gratitude aim. Mirror declarations. PNL futurecast. 1 to 3. 9 momentum. Darker 48. Chords and agreements. Detox. Energetic cleanup. Focus. Release ties that drain and rewrite consent. Angles to weave. Blue flame chord sweep. Contract rewrite script. Salt shower. Name reclamation. 5 freedom code. Mabel. Usage note. All full channelings delivered in English with Arcturian philosophy, Buddhist insights, Christ consciousness, universal unity, NLP tools, biodecoding frames, numerology keys, real-life stories, techniques, and simple rituals. Emojis included. No questions used in the texts. Action. Reply. Dame uno plus number. To receive your next 12 15K piece.